Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Muhammad Amridini and today I'm going to present a presentation named Safety and Regulation for PCB Development and Process. So let's get to it. So safety and regulation for PCB development and process. Met by me, my name is Muhammad Amridini. Okay. So what is PCB development and process? So PCB development is the stages from initial design to final manufacturing involving schematic creation, layout, component placement, trace routing, and manufacturing processes like etching, plating, and assembly. So, first, personal protective equipment or PPE and safety practices. So, you can think about devices and gear worn to minimize exposure to workplace hazards. So I give you a sample of devices or gear worn. Number one, safety glasses or face shield. It's useful for protection eyes from chemical splashes, solder splatter, and dust. Second one is associated safety practices. It ensures Google's meet ANSI Z871.1 standard clean lenses regularly. Number two, flame-resistant lab coats or coveralls. It protects clothing and skin from chemicals exposure and soldering splatter. Its associated safety practices is ensure full coverage and remove contaminated clothing immediately. And third one is chemical resistant gloves. It shields hand from acids, solvents, and resins used in etching and blending. Associated safety practices select gloves based on chemical compatibility, replace if damaged. So, second topic, standard operating procedure SOPs for PPE usage. It's like how to select, wear, maintain, and reuse PPE based on a worker safety. So number one, pre-use inspection. You need to check all PPE for damage, contamination, or wear before use. Ensure proper fit and function, especially for gloves and respiration. Second one, donning and doffing sequence. You have to always wear PPE in the recommended order, like gloves last, respirator before entering hazardous areas. You need to remove PPE carefully to avoid self-contamination, such as raw gloves or avoiding touching exposed areas. And third one is work area safety protocols. Use designated fume hoods for chemical handling and local exhaust ventilation (LEV) near soldering station. You need to wash hands after handling chemical and before break or meals. Number three, third topic is maintenance protocols for PPE or personal protective equipment. Gloves. Inspect before use, replace after chemical and exposure or tears. Number two is respirators. Regularly clean, disinfect, and replace filters as per NIOSH or OSHA recommendation. Number third is safety glasses and face shields. Clean with anti-static wipes to maintain visibility and prevent fogging. And last one is lab coats and coveralls. Wash separately from other clothing, replace if soaked with chemicals. So, getting to the next topic. The next topic is environmental sustainability in PCB fabrication and waste handling. For detail, it's to ensure environmental sustainability in PCB fabrication waste handling focuses on minimizing hazardous materials, optimizing resource use, and promoting recycling and reuse of PCB materials like copper, gold, and silver, while also exploring. So, what is the key element for environmental sustainability in PCB fabrication waste handling? So, the first key is source reduction and material optimization. Minimize the use of hazardous materials such as lead, mercury, and brominated flame retardants. OPT for eco-friendly alternatives like lead-free solder and halogen-free laminates. Implement efficient design practice to reduce material wastage. The key number 2 is chemical waste management. Properly handle and store etching solutions such as ferric chloride, ammonium persulfate to prevent leaks. Utilize closed-loop system for chemicals like copper sulfate to recover valuable metals, and neutralize acidic and alkaline waste before disposal. The key number 3 is efficient water management. So, implement wastewater treatment systems for rainwater contaminated with heavy metals. Adopt water recycling technologies to reduce overall consumption. Regularly monitor pH, BOD or biochemicals, oxygen demand, and heavy metal content in discharge. And last key is air emission control. So install activated carbon filters and scrubbers for volatile organic compounds or VOCs released during PCB fabrication. Maintain fume extraction systems for soldering and etching process, and ensure compliance with air quality standard. And last topic that we are on today is relevant codes and description under the Environmental Quality Act 1974, Schedule Waste Regulation 2005. The Environmental Quality Schedule Waste Regulation 2005 categorizes hazardous wastes generated from industries including PCB fabrication. So here it is the Schedule Waste or Environmental Quality Act 1974 Regulation 2005. We got SW104 for waste containing lead or lead compounds, SW109 for waste containing mercury and or mercury compounds, and many more. You can read it for yourself. Regulatory requirement for compliance: proper storage. Schedule waste must be stored in containers that prevent leaks and contamination. Labeling: each waste container must be labeled with the waste code, description, and hazard information. Waste inventory submission: facilities must maintain an inventory of scheduled waste and submit reports to the Department of Environmental or DOE. And lastly, scheduled waste disposal must be handled by a licensed waste contractor and disposed of at DOE approved facilities. We are in conclusion here. The conclusion is PCB fabrication workers can minimize hazards and ensure a safe working environment while handling chemical machinery and high temperature processes. Compliance with the Environmental Quality Schedule Waste Regulation 2005 ensures that hazardous PCB waste is managed safely, minimizing environmental harm. And thank you for watching, guys. Assalamualaikum.